Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is another channel, and today we are going to have a night experience buying something. How much? 700 each. So give me one. Yeah. And we are just in these things. We are going to try one, and look at you part. Woman. Oh my god, it has some spaghetti inside, so it's just amazing what it has inside. This fish is just looking amazing, and we're also going to try on this fish and have some here in the street. $3,000 here and here. So here it's 3,000. Here it's 3,000, and here we have for 2,000. So let's try for 2,000. Give me one for 2,000. For 2,000. This is how funny it is. It's deep fried. As even you can see inside, it's just dope and amazing. Yeah. I just got this one 2,000. Yeah. How much?
4K, 5K.
4K and 5K. Let me see for 4K.
I pack it. Or why you want to eat it from here?
Thank you. Get for me for 3K. The budget is put with some matoke. Put with some matoke. We also need some green bananas. Yeah, in Uganda they call it matoke. So this is my soup. Hey, kale kamteke mu. Islam. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is where we have our supper from as men. Yeah. Oh my god. Check it. Go.
Jatuh kamar.
How are you? Are you okay? How are you? I'm good. Yeah, and we're gonna have here some mango. Yeah, here a lot of fruits are here, but we have decided to get just mango. This is the mango we have. Mogo kwa meka.
Hariho abiri wowe 13 hariko no 13
wewe wa 13 Oh, this is 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Oh my god, this is a cassava. It's too long. And how much?
3,000.
And how much?
This one, 1,000.
Let me get this one because we still have a lot of things to do. So let me go for this one. This is 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Good, amazing. I love this. So when you come to Uganda, don't forget to try this. And we also going to have some Rolex. As you see, these are Rolex stable, and we're gonna get some Rolex around here also. Rolex, bro, stay there. Rolex. And they also have pilau here, some rice. It's hot and nice. Thanks so much for watching this, guys. It's been Teta channeled with you, and we have enjoyed street nights. So it's so good and so amazing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, ask me questions. If you have any question, ask me so that I'll know what to do for you next in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao.